Find the volume of a right circular cone with height 32, base radius 8. Set up a definite integral to find the volume. Use the horizontal cross sections. Okay, so you can see the cone here. So we're talking about a cone now, not a cylinder. Gotta make sure you're grabbing that word. A cone, not a cylinder. Cylinder is a soda can. This is a cone. Okay. And the overall height is 32. The base radius is 8. Y is how far up to an individual slice. Here we have a particular slice of thickness dy. That's how thick it is. So thickness dy right here. Honestly, that's what dy is the thickness. So the volume of each slice is area of the top times dy, because that's the thickness, right? Area of the top is pi r squared. So each slice is pi r squared dy. Now, the question is, what's the r? We got to get that in terms of y. So how are we going to do that? Well, similar triangles. You see it? So 32 is the whole height, 8 is the whole radius. Y is how far up to a particular slice. So this must be 32 minus y, right? If 32 is the entire height, then y is the bottom part, then subtract that. Take the whole thing, 32 minus the bottom part, you get the top part, 32 minus y. And this is the radius of that little slice r here, if you can see that right there. This is r right there. So then we can get the little equation that 32 over 8 is 32 minus y over r. Maybe I'll do these in purple if it's helpful. So again, this is 32 minus, oops, minus y over r, right? So the entire height is to the entire base as the little height is to the little base. So equal triangles, those are similar triangles. And so now we can go diagonal, diagonal. 32r is 8 times 32 minus y. Distribute that. No, don't distribute that. Just divide by the 32 now. Boom. So r is 8 over 30. You can reduce that to be a fourth, but I'm not going to bother. Like that, 8 over 32 times 32 minus y. And so that's the radius. So now we can say the volume of each slice, which is pi r squared dy from right there. Grab this and plug it in for r. So that's going to be, and then we're going to integrate that as y goes from 0 on the bottom to 32 on the top as the elevator goes up. So as this slice goes up, 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 up from the bottom to the top. So I'm going to integrate from 0 to 32, from y is 0 to y is 32 of the slices, which is pi and then r squared. So that's 8/32, 32 minus y squared dy. And so there we go. We type that in. That's the integral setup to find the volume of that entire cone, just like that. Because this is r squared, right? Because each of those is a circle. Pi r squared times thickness dy, and we found the formula. And there we go.